All right, good morning. With all the controversy surrounding Linux and the display drivers, I wanted to see how the other Linux is doing. And of course, that would be Chromebooks. Here's a screenshot, Chromebook market overview. Global Chromebook market value is projected to grow from 11 billion in 2024 to over 14 billion this year. That's nice. Shipments grew 44% year over year. And the installed user base for Chrome OS devices, 300 million. Nice. All right, so North America is the largest global market for Chromebooks, followed by Europe. This is from aboutchromebooks.com, Chromebook statistics for 2025. In 2025, rising demand from schools, budget-conscious businesses, and users who value speed and simplicity has fueled the Chromebook market. Speed and simplicity. They forgot to add stability. With the Chromebook, you never have to use the terminal, and from what I've seen, I haven't seen a bug yet. All right, faster updates, improved performance, and premium hardware options such as Chromebook Plus. And if we scroll down here, we have Lenovo 24%, HP at 20%, and Dell 15% for the leading brands. I have a Lenovo 2-in-1 convertible touchscreen, and it's perfectly fine. Demographics, education still the dominant use, followed by enterprise, consumers, and premium users now opting for the Chromebook Plus machines. So there you have it. You can go with the Chromebook, Linux-powered Chromebook, or you can try something like what I have here with Ubuntu. Of course, you have Ubuntu, Linux Mint, and a few more that can compete with your Windows masses. But if you want speed and simplicity and no drama, it's hard to beat a Chromebook. Check it out.